Hi, I'm Paddy from the ColorSpray Network. I'm here today just to show you how easy it is to touch up and repair of previously painted materials. A great advantage to the ColorSpray range of colours is that it includes most colours from the major composite door manufacturers. For the purpose of an example, we have a small section of GRP composite door skin here that, as you can see, has had some slight damage. This colour is Renolit Slate Grey. What we're going to do is show you how we can do a localised repair to this small section of damage. Prior to touching up or repairing any previously painted materials, you should always follow the manufacturer's guidelines on surface preparation. The vast majority of composite door manufacturers will only recommend the use of warm, soapy water and no abrasives and no harsh chemicals. Follow the instruction for preparing the can for the spray, and if you need to change the application direction, you can do so by rotating the yellow nozzle. A light dust coat to begin with. And allow that to flash off for just a few moments. Then apply a slightly heavier coat, concentrating on the area of damage. As you can see, this is a great colour match back to the original colour. That is due to our strict quality control process that we apply to every single aerosol can that we produce. Each batch of aerosols are colour matched to a market leading Delta E variant of 0.5. For any more information on the Omnicoat S aerosols or any of our sprayable products, visit www.colorspraynetwork.co.uk. If you'd like any more information or you'd like to speak to me about any of the products, please either connect with me on LinkedIn, follow us on Facebook, or email the sales office at sales@regalead.co.uk.